Hello everybody, today we're going to explore character arcs in Campfire Pro. Character arcs allow you to track how each of your characters change over the duration of your story. The view comes with adjustable attribute sliders and a graph to visualize character development. When you open character arcs, your characters will be listed in the sidebar. Just select the character you want to work with. At the top of the screen, you will see events that your character has been linked to. If you don't see any, you'll need to link your character to some events. Just go to your timeline, double-click the event, and add your character to a links panel. Also note that the events at the top of the character arcs view are in chronological order, according to the sidebar in the timeline view. Make sure that they are in the correct order in your timeline by dragging and dropping. Now we can start working on our arcs. When you have your character selected, click on Event at the top. Campfire will then display a few panels containing information about how your character changes in that event. In the Changes panel, you can list the different kinds of changes your character goes through and give each a description. If you want to add additional types of changes, click Add Panel to add a new type of change. You can rearrange the order of these additional panels by clicking the arrows in the top right of each. At the bottom left is the Traits panel. Here you can list the different traits of your character. Click Add Trait and give it a value on the sliding scale. These can be emotional traits like confidence, or more concrete traits like magical power, whatever you need for your story. At the bottom right is the Graph panel. As you fill out your character's traits in each event, this panel will provide a visual representation of how your character changes throughout the story. If you want to see a graph with all of a character's traits over time, you can navigate to Character Arcs, click Export Trait Graph in the top menu, and this will export the graph to a JPEG image. Now you'll be able to easily see how your characters change. This will help you as you write your story by giving you valuable insight into your characters and what they need. That's it for character arcs. Thanks for watching.